Hello, everyone, and welcome to Chapter 2 Club's Smart Woman's Guide to Breakups and Everything After. Today, I'm here with Victoria McCooey, transformation coach. She works with people who are struggling in a toxic marriage to help them reclaim their power. And today, we're going to be talking about building self-esteem post-divorce. Hi, Victoria. How are you?
Hi, Melanie. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. Let's talk about building self-esteem.
Well, as you know, when you go through a divorce, your self-esteem can take a beating. You're hearing some really hurtful things about yourself, and that's just the way it is in a litigation. And so you're diminished in some respect in the self-esteem world. So we need to build that back up so that you have the confidence to move on and create the chapter 2 that you really deserve. So here are some tricks for doing that. When you have a lot of negative talk coming at you, people telling you, that you did something wrong, or you're not this good enough, or bad parent, or whatever you're hearing, the way to counteract that is to say affirmations. So it has the same effect, only it's reversing the damage that's been done. So when I work with my clients, I have them set up a morning ritual where they take time for themselves. There are a lot of things, but the most important one, I think, is to say affirmations and tell yourself, all the things you maybe don't believe right now, but you want to believe about yourself. And your mind will start believing that it's true after hearing it over and over and over. So that's a really great way to start building that self-esteem. And also, if you're about to embark on a difficult conversation or something that you feel uncertain about or that you're not confident about, I tell my clients to strike a power pose before they enter, even if it's on the phone, right before, just to stretch their arms out and stand tall and put their chest out and take up as much space in the world as they can. And when you're in that pose, you can't help but feel powerful. You're just exuding this confidence just by virtue of the way you're standing. And somehow it filters into your brain, making you feel confident. So that is a really quick fix. If you have something that you're scared of doing, that you want to feel or come across as being more confident in. Also, there's this exercise I have people do, and I'm not going to take credit for it. I stole it from Lisa Nichols, who's a coach for people speaking in public.
Okay.
It's called the 3-3-3 exercise. So you write down 3 things you're proud of yourself for.
Okay.
3 things you forgive yourself for. And 3 promises you're ready to make to yourself.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah. So, and then you write them out and you put it up where you're going to see it every day on your bathroom mirror or whatever. And you read through those and you keep remembering the things that you love about yourself, the things that you're going to let go of, and what you hope to do in the future.
Wonderful. Sorry, my cat's keep going.
So also just like that power pose, it's your body language. When you're sitting up tall and holding yourself in a way that exudes that confidence, you can't help but feel more confident. Just like they say, when you smile, even if you're not happy, if you force yourself to smile, it makes you feel happy. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
And that is how we can improve our self-esteem, by playing these little tricks on our mind.
Yeah. Fake it till you make it, right?
Right.
And I love the self-affirmation one because in the beginning of my divorce, I had these 4 or 5 different quotes / self-affirmations, and I had them written down. And every time I felt like I needed them, I looked at them, and it totally helped me out. And it really helped me get through to, feeling more liberated and accepting and moving forward with the divorce. And I mean, as hokey as some of them are, I feel like it really does work, and we do need them.
It's amazing what you can make your mind believe. And there are also a million guided meditations you can find on YouTube.
Yes.
And you just Google or search on YouTube guided meditation for self-esteem or
Yeah.
confidence, and fall asleep to them, and it's going to soak in while you're sleeping.
Yeah. And surround yourself with supportive people, not the Debbie Downers or the negatives. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Totally agree. Wonderful. Thank you, Victoria. This has been very useful, and I hope our audience out there can gain some insight from these wonderful tips as well. And you can find more resources on our website at chapter2club.com, and we'll have a link to Victoria's website as well. And we will see you all next time. Thank you.
Thanks.